Hi everyone and welcome back to the video. Apologies if there's the rumbling of the washing machine in the background. Unfortunately I can't stop the cycle, so I wanted to get on with this as best we can. Now this is a brand new thing to the channel. I have worked with this company before, ordering some bits and bobs from them, but this is totally something different. This is from Craft Buddy, and I have done some Craft Buddy cards and stuff. But this is something brand new that was introduced to me by a channel called Diamond Paintings with TM, and she was one of the first YouTubers I saw that did this product. Now there's also something else in here, and I'm going to keep you guessing, but inside here, we open it up as best we can. Love that, you just seal it and it comes off. But inside here we have, ready, so we get the first one. Oh, what's that? Ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! I had to get this. I build a camper van model on my channel, World of Mike. I do a camper van build, and I thought this is really going to go really nice with this. Really like it. It's called a Crystal Arc Motive Kit. Something different. Obviously with diamond painting, I'm always on the lookout for new and exciting things. Try to steer away a bit from diamond painting canvases all the time and bring in some lovely stuff. So inside here, as you can see, you've got your drills. We'll have a closer look actually in this. We can, we'll unseal it here. And as you can see, I've seen some crystal ones. So in here, it's actually, I think it's like a sticker. So that's really cool. So you do like a sticker. I just fell in love with that as soon as I saw it. I ordered this around Christmas time, but I've just not had the time to pop over to the relatives to get it. And as you can see here, that is just beautiful. It's a really cute, tiny piece of wax. And then these are our drills. So we've only got, we've got a yellow, a red, sort of like a crystal version, a slightly shaded red, and I think they're crystals as well, them ones. Maybe, no, they're rhinestone, I think. But yeah, 5 little colours, a lovely sticker, and I think that's beautiful. Really lovely. I'm really happy with that. So we'll put that over to one side for the moment. And the next thing we will do, I'll put that over there for the minute, is we'll see what else we got. And that weren't the thing that Diamond Paintings with TM did, but inside here we have something really special. Inside here, are you ready? We have got, ta-da! I had to get one. When I saw Diamond Paintings with TM do this, she did a mermaid, and obviously Crystal, I'm signed up to the Crystal Art Buddies email, and there's this new thing about Crystal Art Buddies. Now Crafting with K has done hers as well, so Crafting with K did hers as well, and she did a Deadpool one, and it was out of that and Iron Man, because I thought, oh, I don't know, but shortly after that I ordered this, they did a sale. But I just thought, to finally get one is just fantastic. I mean, it says series 1 here, so whether there'll be another series, I'm not too sure. But as you can see on the back, there's various different characters. This one here is the Little Mermaid, and as you can see, there's all various different colours there and bits and bobs. I think for me, I would have to go for Spider-Man, Deadpool, Stitch, probably Buzz. Hi Man, I've got that one I like, probably that one as well, definitely that one, I'm a big Mandalorian fan, and probably all 4 of them, because I'm a big Marvel fan as well. Yeah, no, I'm happy with them. But yeah, so there must be another series for this, but inside here, oh my god, that is quality, man. Oh wow, look at that. So inside here you get your photo with colour chart on, but look at that. Oh my god, that's lovely. It's really good quality. Oh wow. That's awesome. And obviously a bit of instructions on how to do it, but for most diamond painters we don't need that because we know what we're doing. But it's just there for anyone that don't know how to do it. But as I said, I'm always on the lookout for new things, and this was something really different. So we've got our baggies, a boat, and then obviously the pens. The pens always come branded. I have worked with a lot of crystal crossbody ones. So you get a piece of wood, and as you can see, it's really lovely design. You've got crystal art on there, Marvel Avengers and Marvel crossbody, and look at that, that just sits in there like that. And as you can see, once it's all done, it's drilled. That is really super cute, isn't it? Absolutely brilliant. And then obviously in here you've got some drills. I think this is the smallest kit I've ever worked on, apart from key rings, and also the smallest for the number of bag of drills you get. So I think I paid $3.99 for mine, but look at that. We've only got 4 colours, and that colour is quite nice. I've never worked with that colour before. That's pretty cute, but look at that. Absolutely a 10 out of 10 for me. That is absolutely fantastic. And then obviously we've got our motif as well to do. So if you like what you see, head over to Craft Buddy. You can get these, and I will link them in the description of the video. But please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell, and we'll see you very soon for some more unboxings. Take care, guys. Bye.